so we're going to be doing the fog lights on this Honda Civic. They're in the bottom of the bumper here. And what I did learn about this is it's actually not too difficult to do. It's a little bit hard to film here. You have two pops right here, then one there and one there. So you just pull out the middle, and you have one 10 mil bolt there. And that's all you'll need to remove. I didn't show it in this clip right here, but you just kind of slip your hand in behind there, and you can feel back. You can actually see in there too. It's just incredibly hard to film, but it's just twists, so it goes in and twists. I pulled the whole thing out and was able to do the plug out here, so I unplugged it. And I'll go on to the other side of this car. This car was cut, I guess a previous owner had cut to get easy access. So this side I just had to fish my hand through this cut in the plastic. So this was a cheating side, I guess. But you just feel up in there and you can twist it out. This one I think I had to unplug it and then unplug it. But yeah, the same thing I'm doing on this side I was able to do on the other side. You just kind of push up behind to get it. And there's the bulb. I think I show it here in a second. The replacement bulb. Yep. The H8 from Basic. I believe these were purchased at AutoZone. I don't know the exact price. They weren't super expensive. Always wear gloves when you're putting in your new bulbs. So I'm just showing there that I'm wearing a plastic glove. The oils from your hands will make these bulbs, I want to say blow up, but it's not blow up, but it just blows the filament out. So anytime, anywhere you would touch the bulb, you want to wear a glove. I clicked it in out here, made sure I got a good connection, and then I fish it up in there with the gloved hand and put it in. What I had to do was put my hand on, my other hand was on the light on the outside kind of, and kind of push it in, and once I got it in the hole, just turn it, and it was good to go. Well, not a super difficult repair to do on this particular car. Like I said, that side was pretty easy. Let's see what I'm doing here. Putting the new one in. I ended up putting the glove on the wrong side, but yeah, you just fish your hand in. So it gives you ample room. When you remove those two pops and that one screw, it gives you enough room to get in there. And then I used my other hand here to just kind of help guide I guess in my mind I was guiding it. Got it in place. So there it is. You can see it in its hole. Now I just got to put the pops back on. Here's the bolt. Like I said, it's a 110 mil. I used a 3/8 drive and a 10 mil socket, and then the two pop. I guess I'm ratcheting it here real quick. And like I said, with the glove thing, I only wear the glove just while I'm interacting with the bulb. Once it's in, I left my glove on here, but throwing the two pops back in, and then this project was done. Surprisingly easy. I would say this is a pretty beginner level. You don't need a lot of tools or a lot of effort. Now, this car was up on ramps. I guess I didn't talk about that. You could probably do this without ramps. There is enough clearance, but yeah, this car was in here for an oil change at the same time, so I just went ahead and did that. And here they are working. He hasn't had working headlights on, or fog lights on this car in forever. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, or hope this helped you.